We're at the garden again. True Sight's garden. Amon, Onk. Everything's flourishing. Everything's doing good. It's supposed to rain today, which is Sunday, July the 1st, and the 2nd, and the 3rd, my understanding. So we'll get a lot of rain. That's good because, of course, you know, the 4th of July, the fireworks. So that means the ground will be wet. Since the ground will be wet, there won't be too many fires set with the ground wet, which is good. It's not dry. And the fig are coming along very well. You know, this is a crucial time. They really need a lot of water, which is good. It's amazing how this kiwi just finds a way to just latch on and grow. And look at this sunflower. Isn't that amazing? Like a sunflower within the sunflower. Amazing. And of course, this beautiful sunflower just came out. Isn't that lovely? That is a lovely sunflower. It's a different variety, of course, but you see it has little ones down here that are going to bloom and come out, which is good. And come over here, the bell peppers is slowly but surely getting bigger. I know they need more fluid, more water so they can get on up there. The potatoes come along pretty good. Potatoes come along pretty good. You can see them. You can see them down there. Potatoes. So I had to cover some up over here, and this one here, because they still hadn't died back a whole lot. It's still there. So still waiting. Got the watermelon vines. They're doing their thing. But the other day, this funny thing, there was a lizard running on this plastic when it seen me. And you hear the pitter-patter of his little feet on the plastic. He wasn't getting nowhere as fast, but he was getting somewhere. Anyway, let's look at this watermelon down here. You see it? It's trying to come. It's at the end, though. Hopefully, they all just start blossoming out. I know they need plenty water, but that's that. Now, just before the rain, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get up these little puddles. Little puddles accumulate in the plastic that I have laid down. And what I'll do is I'll suction it out with this hose attached to this container. Suck right in. And then I'll deposit it into this container here. And then I'll repurpose the water so it's not going to waste here to here. And then I'll put it back on the plants. Okay, as you can see, if you remember, the puddle's all gone and it's all been placed into here. Now this go back in the plant. I just pour it over here. This will go in, this will be in for the big sunflower when they come out. That's the back of it. But at this stage, you need plenty of water. So hopefully the rain that comes today and tomorrow will be enough, because we're understanding the watermelon need a constant flush, a constant flow of water so it can grow. Let's take a look at this other sunflower. These other sunflowers are pretty good. It came out. There's 3 of them. This is one of the ones that was the first I planted, and it's coming out beautifully. As you can see, it's got the flowers on one side, and flower in the middle, and flower at the other end. This one down here, beautiful. Hopefully, we shall have more natural sunflowers for the birds. I mean, try to eat some myself. But anyway, here's that beautiful sunflower over there. As you can see it, beautiful. This here, imagine it's marigold. A watermelon at the bottom, this container. And celery. Celery is awesome. Celery, ain't nothing slow about celery. It'll grow. I'll probably eat this. Eat this here. And then try to shoot up some more. After the rain, it should get good nourishment. So it'll probably be real tasty then. Okay. And I have a big catchment over here. Big barrel. Full of water. I get the water in there. Should be good to go. Should be able to come out here and just give it water randomly, but as it needs it. Because we have something like a drip line. Drip line is cool, but I just can't do it here. But if I was able to, I would have several drip lines for a constant drip, so the plants would know that it's got constant nourishment. Well, stand by. This here I planted in a compost dump site, and this is, get the shade out of there. This is a watermelon. I think about 2 watermelon seeds I planted here. And this is outside of the garden. And it seems to be doing pretty good. It's got nice big leaves. And of course, you know, underneath the leaves, you usually see watermelon growing. So hopefully this is in an uncontrolled area. I just cut the grass around it, but it should grow also. Well, on that note, and we could take a look at the garden from afar. More to life, more life to all, less life to none. Amen.